Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video I just want to give you a quick tip and just throw some things out there to you real quick. Just in case you guys need packing material for your gift baskets. It's crunch time and you're trying to hurry up and get stuff and you don't want to spend any extra money. I just want to throw some things out there to you, some options that you can do. Far as packing material, your newspaper, you can get these absolutely free from the library. Just go to the library and they should have plenty of newspapers that you can have, or you can go to a gas station. So I just want to throw some ideas out there to you, and you can easily use this as packing material. Okay. And for your boxes, you can go to Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, places like that, and ask them if they have any boxes that you can have. And you kind of want to get them, before they throw them out. Because you're using them for your gift basket, so you don't want nothing that being by the trash can, right? So, yeah, and they will be happy to just go in the back where they unboxing all their stuff. And give you their boxes. And also the exact same thing with your foam. I use this a lot. This is going to save me a lot of money. This foam I got for free. They actually had foam as well when I went to Family Dollar. So I just wanted to throw that out there to you. I'm going to insert a clip of me using the foam, the boxes, and the newspaper to give you an idea of what you can do. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there to you to give you some tips and some ideas. Like I said, it's crunch time if you want to hurry up and get some supplies, for free, that you don't have to spend any money for. With that being said, yeah, have a blessed one.